Hello, scrappy friends. Welcome to ScrapNFun with Beth. I'm Beth Graves, your Creative Memories Advisor and Forever Senior Ambassador. And today we have a sneak peek for Creative Memories' new product launch coming on Monday, February 9th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. But before I get into the sneak peek, I have a good joke for you. I saw this on my way to a crop the other day on one of our town sign places does jokes of the day, and this was a cute one. It made me chuckle for a good mile or two. Anyway, what do you call romance in a fish tank? Guppy love. And with Valentine's Day so close, I thought that was perfect. So anyway, let's take a look at the sneak peek for Monday, and it is a good one. So let's go over to my browser, and I will share the launch page with you on my ScrapNFun.com website under the post and the video for the sneak peek, so you can watch the videos and check out more. But our third album kit of 2026 is coming out, and it is the Global Getaway. So the album kit is designed for any skill level, any scrapbooker level, person just getting started, an experienced or seasoned scrapper, and anywhere in between. And it comes with everything you need to make a beautiful album in a certain theme. So far we have had On the Bright Side, and then a couple weeks ago we had Natural Beginnings, and now our third one is being released, which is Global Getaway. And if you are a beginner and want to get started, please reach out to me. I'd offer beginner classes all the time, and we can show you how easy it is to get started. So anyway, the Global Getaway is coming with the album kit. The album kits come with everything you need to create an album, including an album. You have your choices between the Dusted Sage and the chocolate with the cool compass icon on it, or just a solid terracotta, which is beautiful too. The box includes 16 simple page kits to make 16 layouts, as well as your tape runner, some embellishments, and some stickers, all packaged in a beautiful box. So really the only thing you need is scissors or some kind of trimmer to be able to cut the lines and your photos and add them to your books. In addition to the album kit Global Getaway, we also have our Global Getaway Collection. This is beautiful. Just like the album kit, you have a choice between those same 3 cover sets. But in addition, we have a regular paper pack, a tonal paper pack, the matte pack. And remember, matte packs are awesome for journaling, for matting your photos, giving you titles and other areas that you can put in. Maybe you don't have enough pictures, you just want to add in a little something. These are great for that. You also get a 3-pack of stickers and embellishments in that same beautiful color palette and theme of the Travel Getaway. And then again, here are your 3 cover sets. Now in the album kit, remember the cover sets come with top-loading sleeves already in them. When you buy them a la carte, you're just getting the album cover, and you can put whatever kind of pages inside that you want. These are all 12 by 12 size. In addition, with the new Travel Getaway collection, we also have a vintage post Border Maker cartridge. How cool is that? I love that. That is fun. A document the date punch. Do you ever get tired of writing the date? Like, we know we need the date, but this just adds a lot of fun. I love this. And then the in-flight border punch. Again, this is super cool. And this will look really neat with the old airplane punch. If any of you have that, you can add that as extra enhancements. But we get clouds, so we get negative space, and we get positive space. So you're going to have all these little pieces coming out, but you also are going to have the cool border. And look how they put different colors behind the planes, and then you got the white for the clouds, and it made a really cool border. But then you can also use the negative pieces that fall out to enhance your page as well. So I look forward to seeing all the cool things we can do with these. If you just want it all, because this is amazing, this is the collection, not the album kit. So the collection you can order within the first 10 days of it being launched, and you can save 10%. You get everything that you see here along with a bonus project playbook. So the Buy It All bundle is super fun. There will also be a decorative bundle at some point, which will not include the punches. It will just include the tonal papers, the mats, and the stickers and embellishments. It will not have the punches nor the cardstock sampler, but we can make those cardstock samplers pretty simply. I offer a lot of individual cardstock colors, and we can pull together a bundle for you. So these are the colors of the palette. So we've got avocado, hot fudge, Kelly green, navy, and cool gray. Also, this collection is going to coordinate with Noteworthy Days, which was our year kit last year. And many of you have that, and it is a beautiful palette as well. And so this stuff's going to go seamlessly, along with last year's travel collection, which was Passport to Adventure. And then, of course, the new collection, Your Own Way, is going to blend seamlessly with this collection again. Okay, so these other new things that are coming up are awesome. Well, okay, everything's awesome, you know that. But this, I got to see a sneak peek of these at a advisor training I was at a few weeks ago under my upline in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And our president and CEO was there, Allison, and she was showing off some of these cool things. So I already know what these are. They are so cool. So the cascading pockets, you guys have seen us demo those and done those many, many times. If you have not, reach out. I'd be happy to show you how it works. But these are spacer sets to make it super easy for you to align your peekaboo pockets, regardless of the size, in the place that you want to align them and not have to do all the math. So, you know, math and scrapbooking, they don't equal up. So this is taking all the math out for us. So watch this video, see how easy it can be, and watch for another update from me on them as well. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, adding that peekaboo pocket, putting the spacer in, and putting the next one down. They're also going to come out in a bundle where you can get all the spacers along with 26 peekaboo pockets, including our new 2x2 size and the project playbook. So the bundles will be available, or just the spacers. So you can kind of see the difference there. And then many of you have enjoyed our 5-pocket photo mounting sleeves, or photo multi-pocket pages, I believe is what their old name was. That's it. Where we could put 5 photos, 3 horizontal, 2 vertical. They have the jeeping and the staple, just like our regular album pages, so they fit right into your 12x12 album. Well, now we are coming out with more, and we're renaming the 5-pocket to photo sleeves, so they will be 5-pocket photo sleeves. We're also going to have 3-pocket, 4-pocket, 6-pocket, and then the normal 5, which is this one right here. But you can see that they will all cascade automatically without you needing the spacers, but just by design of the pages, you can see how the 3-pocket is a little bit shorter than the 4-pocket. The 4-pocket's a little bit shorter width-wise, right? Than the 6. How fun is this? And then you can get a variety pack with all 3 sizes in it. And then also our 5-pocket, which will now be called 5-pocket photo sleeves. I am so excited about this. Another advisor quite a while ago actually taught us how to take the 5-pocket and cut it down this seam here and put an opening in the tab here and flip it. So then we could have the 3-pocket and the 2-pocket. And so I have actually shared that with many of my customers, and a lot of them do that. And so I am just thrilled that we don't have to cut them anymore. They're going to actually come made for us in the 3. And then this is really cool, giving us 4 vertical spots, which means you can actually put 8 in because you have the back side as well. So I can't wait to get my hands on these, and I hope you're excited too. But that's not it. We still have more coming on Monday. So we have 2 new sizes of peekaboo pockets, 2x2 and 3x2. So these will be a fun addition to our line. And then just a little recovery here to kind of show you all the different things that we have for adding more photos into your layouts. All of these can be mixed and matched inside your collections, inside your album kits, whether you use top loading or regular traditional album pages. All of these are additions that can be used in your album. So cool. Okay. There's also a What's New flyer, and I will have that posted on my ScrapNFun site, where you will be able to see pricing and just a closer up picture of some of those things in the flyer. But the update will be coming out real quick here, and I hope you enjoy and are excited. Place an order. Please order from your Creative Memories advisor if you have one. If you do not, you are more than welcome to shop with me, and I will be there to help you and explain if you have questions about anything. You'll be able to find my link in the description of this video, as well as on my ScrapNFun page, where this will be posted as well. So with that, have a fantastic day and get excited. I can't wait to see this stuff. So talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Thanks for visiting ScrapNFun with Beth.